In this video I will demonstrate how to change the standard light to LED, and not just a normal LED. It's going to be a two-color, red, white. It's on a NoHAB locomotive, but you might find this useful for other locomotives. Actually, this is an analog that I have converted into digital, and as you maybe can see, it's an N gauge, so it's a bit challenging to find place for everything. There isn't much place inside the locomotive. This would NoHAB, what you see right now, this is actually converted already, so I know how I'm going to do it, and I still have two locomotives that I need to convert into this two-color LED. But to show you how it looks, I can turn on the light now. As you can see, it's a white color, and if I change direction, it goes into red. Of course, it's the same on both sides of the locomotive, that when it's moving forward, it has the white lights turn on, and then the rear, you can see the red color, so it changes direction. So let's try to move it, let it run a bit, and you can see the rear side. Should be red here. Yeah. We can stop, actually reverse, so you can see it's changing colors in both ends of the locomotive. First we will remove the shield or the cover from this. Can actually do this without tools. Just flip the sides a bit out here, this side, and this side, and you should be able to pull it away here. So this is how the locomotive looks inside. Now remove the screw which is holding the printed circuit board in place. It also makes connection with ground. Very small little screw here, and you can just lift it up like that. As you can see, here's the LokPilot DCC decoder that I installed in one of our previous videos. It works quite well. So this is not topic for today. So the next we'll do is cut away a small part of the PCB here. Like that. That should be able to break away. So this part won't be needed. make a small hole here. This, so we broke this piece out here, and as you can see, we now have small hole, or what you may call it, and here is, then we have room for 3 wires to go through. Do the same thing on the other side of the PCB. Cut. Like so. Bend this over and break it loose. Okay. Well, actually you can, oh sorry, we have to remove the small lights here, or lamps. You can also remove the, I don't know, what is this, spring loaded. Yeah, that was the original. Lamp, and we'll remove it on the other side as well. I think these are 16 volts lamps. Yeah, and we got the spring away and the lamp here. So we can actually mount the PCB again, and for safety we just check if it still runs okay. So of course the light won't work any longer, but trained locomotives should still be able to run. Like so. So we put the locomotive onto the tracks, and let's see if it works. Just double check that I haven't made any harmful cutting on the PCB. So if I, sorry, wrong locomotive, it's this one. Stupid controller. Okay, so it's ready to receive the lights now. On eBay I got these LEDs with also some resistors. I think this 1 kilo ohm resistor, 0.25 watts, and this dual color, red, white. Let me show the LED. Can you see it? Yeah. Like so. And the resistor. Just cut one out. So we need to prepare these small components first. So I'll just take this small ones I prefer to use here. And we cut the legs about here. Hope you can see it. So we have a small LED. Now which color is red? No, which side is red and which side is green? We don't. Which side is red and which side is white? We don't know. So we have to test it before we solder it. Take some, what's the size of this? 0.14 square millimeter wire. Can also use thinner wire. It's actually very low current, so the smaller the better. You can take whatever type of wires you need, and we need some tin solder here. Okay, and we will pre-solder the wires. And solder the wire to the outer side here, like so, and cut another wire. We'll take this resistor here, cut it. I think we leave about 5 millimeters. And pre-solder. Okay, and put it in the center. Okay, let me turn this so you can maybe see it better. So this is how I made it. Next thing we'll do is put some shrink flex tube on for insulation so that they don't touch each other. So we'll cut about 7-8 millimeters. And take the solder iron to shrink the flex. Careful not damaging anything. And we need a small piece for the resistor also, so that we have good insulation between the 3 pins. This swing plate is a bit too large, so it has problems to close the ceiling or make a good ceiling, but doesn't matter as long as you make sure that they're pressed on the way down. Should be still okay. So it looks like there's 2 wires, and in the center you have a resistor. You need to make 2 of these. So we have made these 2 LEDs ready for mounting to the locomotive. This is a bit tricky to position them here. Okay, I think we got it now. Let me zoom in so you can better see it. First I'm going to do is connect the resistor to the ground, common ground here. Actually you need a lot of heat because the screw is transferring all the heat to the locomotive, so now the next thing is we don't know which one is the red and which one is the white, so just need to test it. Just put some solder on here and this pin here is normally when it's forward, so this must be white. If I connect this here, it must have a white color. If it's red, it's the other wire I need to solder here. So I'll just test this. I tested it, and of course it's the red one, so I have to desolder this one here. Okay, and the other cable needs to be connected there. Now we have connected the white color LED, so the red part of the LED must be connected to this side here, which actually or normally turn on the lamp in the rear side here. So we need to make a nice long wire connection over here. Cut it, strip it, and pre-solder. Okay, that pre-solder the PCB here in this pad here. Like so. Now let's test this and see if the first LED works. Okay, and turn on red, white. Seems to work. Yeah. And we have positioned the second LED. Here the distance for the ground is a bit longer, so we need to extend the resistor terminal. So we will solder some wires and make a good solid connection to the resistor. First out here. We'll just connect one and see which color we have. I hope this will be the white for this side here. So let's test both LEDs, see if it works before we put all things together. It works. What I'm doing now is routing the wires so that they don't cross each other, and because there is not much space So I hope this will do it. I'll try to put this cap on and see if it fits. I think it does. It looks okay.